Have you ever gone out fishing only to get out there to realize you forgot something? Well, worry no more, because in this quick video, we're going to be teaching you our 7-step process that we use every single time before we go fishing. So let's go! Starting things off with number 1 is rules and regulations. Be sure to pick up a copy of your regulations, either online or in print, so that you can make yourself aware of the regulations that are in your zone that you're fishing in, or even the particular lake that you plan on fishing. It can change lake to lake. Know the season start and end dates, and buy your fishing license. And remember, for anybody in our immediate area within Alberta, Canada, if you're using the Alberta Realm app, you can actually purchase and download your copy of your fishing license directly onto your app. Number 2 is inspect your equipment. Give everything a good once over and a cleaning, and make sure that you check the eyelets on your fishing rods, because if there's any burrs or snags on these, you run a risk of cutting your line, and we don't want that. Some people suggest changing line. I do it every season. I don't know, that might be a little much. How often do you change your fishing line? Are you changing it every season? Are you changing it every other season? Or are you still using the same old spool that Grandpa had on it back in the 70s? Aha! Number 3 is make sure you check your tackle box. I know I'm not the only one that actually enjoys cleaning out his tackle box every season. Take an inventory of what you've got, straighten everything out, and get additional supplies if you need them. Hooks, leaders, weights, you get the idea. Number 4 is boat safety supplies. And we're going to touch on this briefly because this is a topic of one of our future videos coming out. But in particular here, we want to look at life safety vests or life jackets. Make sure you have a good valid jacket, it's not expired, and that it fits properly. Because when it comes to life safety, I'm sorry, we don't mess around. Number 5 is bait. So make sure that you check the regulations once again, because sometimes the lakes that you go to may not allow live bait or may not allow bait at all. Are you up to stock on your artificial plastics like your fake baits? Or maybe you've got a freezer full of minnows left over from the ice fishing season that you might still have in your deep freeze. Number 6 is apps. And what I mean by that is, there any apps that I can put on my phone that can help me catch fish on this body of water that I'm going to? We use and recommend Aqua Map, as it gives you a pretty detailed look at the lakes that you're going to. Don't forget your photo apps. Make sure you've got a good photo editing app and a video editing app on your phone. We've got suggestions down in the description down below. But for photos, we use one called Snapseed, which is a really great photo editor with some great effects, and it's free. Can't beat that. Lastly, number 7 on the list is scout ahead and know your spots. Don't just load everybody up, hop in the boat, and zip out to wherever. Or even worse, don't just hop in the boat and go out to where all the other boats are. No. We're smarter than that. We've planned ahead. We've taken a look at the map of the lake and said, here's an interesting shelf. I might want to fish this. Look at this drop off right here, man. Maybe we should hit that. Yeah. You'll have a lot better success, trust me. Be sure to check out our library, which has tons of hunting and fishing content, and it's growing every single day. Like this video right here, where we will show you exactly what to put in your tackle box this season. Thanks so much for stopping by. We'll see you guys in the next video.